everybody! So today we're going to be playing with a set number 4642 from Lego City, and it was released in 2011. So without further ado, let's get started.
Why do we have life jackets on?
Oh, that's because we're going on a boat.
Aww,
Don't worry, it's going to be an adventure.
it's not an adventure. Just sailing on a boat in the middle of the ocean.
Well, we'll see about that. Let's first go have a look at our boat. Here is our little boat, the Annabelle. What do you think? Wait, come here.
Aww, I don't want to go on the boat.
We're going on a boat. We're going on a flipping fishing holiday, alright? Now let me just get my fishing rod. You stay here and look after the boat. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, Daddy.
Alright, well I've got the fishing rod over here. I'm gonna attach it to the back. Over here like so. And I am going to steer the boat out onto the ocean. So you hold on then.
Okay, I'll go sit at the back.
Okay, right. Let me see if I remember how to steer a boat. Beep. Take me out onto the ocean. Yes, Captain. You have reached your destination. Oh, thank you. Alright. It's a lovely sunny day out here on the ocean.
And it's boring.
I'm going to show you how to do some fishing. Watch. So we're going to get this fishing rod over here. Take it into my hand. Now watch very carefully because this is important.
Oh, alright. Just stand up here.
Okay, so we need to get our little floaty. We need to swing it back. And then swing it back forwards again to get it as far as out onto the ocean as possible.
What?
There we go. Now all we need to do is stand here and just wait for the fish to arrive.
Oh, okay. Can I sit on top of the top deck?
No.
Oh, alright.
Any moment now a fish will be coming our way. La-di-da-di-da.
Is it nearly there yet?
No. Oh, wait, I've got something. Oh, reel it in. There we go. We got a fish.
Okay, I suppose that's a little bit cool. But it could be more exciting.
Oh. Oh, a shark! Oh! Here you have the fish. We need to get out of here quickly.
Hello, Sharky. Oh, quick, Daddy, we need to go away.
Phew. I think we're away from sharky waters.
Daddy, that was such a big adventure. That was so cool. We were being chased by a shark and it nearly ate us.
That's nice.
Daddy, can we go on another boat adventure?
No. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. And until next time, I'll be playing.